And I the one they call PC Banks, you know, say, and I'm here with this humble man. What's your name?
Favor Smith.
Eh?
Favor Smith.
Where are you from?
Asaba.
Huh?
Asaba Delta States. Asaba.
You be Indigine of
Asaba. Indigine of Delta States.
Yes. Indigine of Delta States.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your tribe?
I'm Delta Igbo.
Delta Igbo. Eh? But people they tell me say that Delta Igbo no dey exist. What do you have to say about that?
It exists us. Look, say we just dey hidden. Hidden. But not pure Igbo, but we're Igbo.
The Igbo people now they talk say una dey whine una self. Say una be Igbo. What do you have to say about that? Your parents don't explain that thing for you.
They did, sha.
So what did they tell you? Did they tell you that you are a pure Igbo or you know be Igbo?
Well,
Or you dey related to Igbo? What did your parents tell you?
we dey related to Igbo. We no be pure Igbo.
That's what your parents told you. So have you tried to do any research?
Not really, sha. Not really.
Try to do research. People me say never do research. Now recently I do my research. Also, no just test that language where you say you sabi. How na take dey greet person in the morning?
Aj.
Aj.
Yes, Aj.
Okay. How na take dey say welcome?
I don't forget how
I am coming.
Anioma bia.
God is good.
Chukwu dị mma.
Okay. How do you say don't cast? Like yeah, don't spoil now.
You don't cast it.
That means you know no.
I don't know that one.
Okay. If you want to say I love you to your mama or your papa,
Okay. Afrom Ginaya.
you be like, no, na Igbo now.
Na Igbo na, but we dey mix am. E no too pure, but pure.
No be like, no be.
Igbo, bu Igbo. The contemporary distinctions we often make today about Igbo identity, they're not cultural identities, they're political identities. There's a difference between a cultural identity and a political identity. When we say somebody is Delta Igbo, it is a political identity. It is not a cultural identity. Igbo-speaking peoples are one nation, one language, with different dialects. All languages have dialects. A dialect is not a language.
Professor Onwejog warns that some communities, notably Asaba, may have revised earlier genealogies to align with the Ezechima narrative, even when older traditions link them to eastern Igbo towns like Nteje. It is proof that identity can evolve without disappearing, that tradition can survive modernity, and that a people who remember where they come from can walk into the future with unshakable confidence. Because in the end, the past is not just history, but it is the foundation of who we are. In the end, history is not just about where we come from. It is about understanding why we still call that place home. That is just the essence of history. Why do we call this place home? Why do we speak this collective language? Why do we eat this collective food? Why do we have these collective customs and traditions? Why do we worship the same gods? What are the names of our gods and why are they so named? This is just the whole essence of history.
Hey, Luan.
That